Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and unfortunately today I have some very sad news to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, I'm sure some of you all have already heard the news, but just in case you haven't, the website Coupons in the News broke this story yesterday on Friday that P&G will be ending their insert coupons. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this article in the pinned comment down below, but I wanted to go ahead and read through this with you all really quickly, kind of give you guys my thoughts on this topic. Plus, we're going to take a look at some of the comments that have already been left on the article, and of course, I am very curious to see what you guys think about it. So the title of this article is End of a Couponing Era as P&G Retires Brand Saver Coupon Inserts. So for those of you who don't know, before we get into the article, the Procter & Gamble Brand Saver is also known as the P&G Insert. Now, the article starts off by saying Procter & Gamble's monthly Brand Saver coupon insert marked its 20th anniversary this year. It won't make it to a 21st. The next Brand Saver, scheduled to be distributed in Sunday newspapers over New Year's weekend, is going to be the last. So my initial thoughts on this was just, wow, I cannot believe this is happening, because P&G inserts have been around since I began couponing. So it's going to be very different not getting that P&G insert every single month. So we just received our December P&G insert. It wasn't too great, to be honest with you all. And then now January 2023 will be the last P&G insert that we will receive ever. So the article continues on and it says, we will be discontinuing the standalone Brand Saver paper insert after the end of the year. P&G spokesperson Victoria Schuyler told Coupons in the News. Our individual brands may still choose to participate in other coupon flyers such as Smart Source and Save. So paper P&G coupons may not disappear entirely. But the Brand Saver, unique for its breadth of product offers and longevity as a one-stop shopping source for coupons from a single manufacturer, will soon be but a memory. Another outmoded casualty of the industry's rapidly increasing shift to digital coupon formats. Now, I want to stop right here and say that I do remember over the past couple of months, we had at least one Save insert that carried some of the P&G brand coupons. I can't remember exactly which coupons they were or which brands they were, but I do know that they were definitely in the Save insert. So hopefully that's a little bit of good news that we can take from this article. I mean, man, guys, we have had a rough couponing year in 2022. We have seen so many changes, more restrictions, lower coupon values. We had big changes with Ibotta. We've got all kinds of changes happening with Dollar General right now. And now insert coupons are starting to disappear. So for me, I guess I'm a little bit old-fashioned, but it is sad to see the insert coupons fading away. Now, the article does continue, and it says, we will continue to make coupons available to shoppers in a variety of formats, Schuyler reassured couponers. P&G's website, P&G Good Everyday for One, features a selection of print-at-home coupons. Shoppers can also find digital coupons for our brands through their favorite retailer app, website, or loyalty card program, Schuyler said. All right, now I want to stop right here for just a quick second and talk about printable coupons. Now, I am glad that they still offer printable coupons on their website. Unfortunately, for us couponers, a lot of retailers will no longer accept printable coupons. Now, I know in my area, they stopped accepting printable coupons at Walmart and Walgreens because there was a certain couponer in our area that thought it would be a good idea to print off one coupon and then copy it multiple times and then go and use those copied coupons. And that is a big no-no. That will get your printable coupons shut down real quick, because every account is allowed to print off 2 like coupons. So 2 like coupons per account. Do not copy them, because each coupon has a unique code that goes back to your computer. So it's very easy for them to figure out who is passing off these copied coupons and in turn committing coupon fraud. So as far as printable coupons go, it's going to be a hit or miss whether you guys can actually use those in the store. And another downside to the P&G printable coupons is that those actually expire within 24 hours of you printing off the coupon. So they really don't give you a whole lot of time to use the coupon in the first place. Now, getting back to the article, they continue on and say, but old school couponers are sure going to miss their monthly fix of P&G savings delivered right to their doorstep. The brand saver debuted in March 2002 as the most notable example of what's known in the industry as a solo freestanding insert, or a solo FSI, a single insert devoted to multiple brands owned by one manufacturer. Over the years, other manufacturers like Kraft, SC Johnson, Nestle, and lately Unilever have offered solo FSIs featuring their owned brands, but none have been as long-lasting or as successful as P&G's. Consider this. Quick, name a few brands owned by SC Johnson or Nestle. Now name a few P&G brands. Tide, Bounty, Charmin, Crest, Pampers, and others roll right off of most shoppers' tongues. In many ways, P&G has the brand saver to thank. For more than 2 decades, the insert was as much about brand recognition as it was about savings, reinforcing a message to shoppers that all of the household products that they need could be obtained from one trusted manufacturer, who just happened to be offering them discounts on their next purchases within the pages of a glossy advertising circular. We feel very good about the results Brand Saver is generating for us and therefore have plans to continue to have it as a key part of our total marketing mix, a P&G spokesman said back in 2004. We find it very successful and effective vehicle of distributing coupons, another company spokesperson offered that same year. But times have certainly changed. Just 5 years ago, a rumor that the Brand Saver would be discontinued seemed preposterous. P&G has no plans to discontinue our Brand Saver coupon circular, a company spokesperson told Coupons in the News at the time. As far-fetched as it may have seemed then, though, some early signs of the impending changes were already there. Around that time, P&G began withdrawing Brand Saver inserts from certain regions identified as reselling hotspots, where inserts were getting stolen and sold online by the thousands. Later, it began removing fabric care coupons for products like Tide, Gain, Downy, and Bounce from some regions. Brand Saver inserts directing shoppers to find printable versions online instead, a test that became permanent earlier this year. It was a slow and methodical process that appeared to be ultimately aimed at weaning shoppers and P&G's own brands off the Brand Saver altogether. Since the last time P&G tried to end paper couponing much more abruptly, it didn't work out so well. Back in 1996, P&G launched what became known as a zero coupon test in upstate New York, withdrawing all paper coupons from multiple markets. Coupons were wasteful, one company executive explained at the time. I don't like couponing, period, another said. We decided coupons have to go, a third executive declared. But P&G likely didn't anticipate the consumer uproar, the calls for boycotts, the negative national news coverage, and the antitrust lawsuits brought by New York's Attorney General, which P&G and other companies accused of colluding in the test settled for $4.2 million. Couponing is inefficient, a P&G spokesperson insisted after the zero coupon test ended and the paper coupons returned to upstate New York newspapers. Long term, we will continue to reduce our reliance on couponing. And 5 years later, after most of those coupon-hating executives had moved on, P&G's new leadership did precisely the opposite of reducing couponing by introducing the Brand Saver insert. Nowadays, eliminating the Brand Saver isn't synonymous with zero coupons. In the 90s, paper coupons were the only type of coupons, so eliminating newspaper insert coupons essentially meant eliminating coupons altogether. Today, eliminating the Brand Saver insert coupons allows P&G to push digital coupons and print-at-home alternatives that didn't exist 3 decades ago. So, longtime couponers and the less digitally savvy will not welcome the demise of the Brand Saver, but it's unlikely to generate a large-scale consumer uproar, calls for boycotts, negative national news coverage, and certainly not an antitrust lawsuit. Savings won't be impossible to find, they'll just be different. We will continue to explore and implement new ways to make coupons available to shoppers, including ways that are simpler, more convenient, and more relevant, Schooler pledged. The industry's march toward digital-only discounts has been years in the making, but so far reports of paper coupons' demise have failed to materialize. After January 1st, though, the day of having 0 coupons in paper form could seem that much closer to reality. Alright guys, so that is the end of the article, but I still wanted to go over a couple of the comments that were left underneath the article, and then I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts. So Joanne says, I guess I will be using other products then. With the cost going up, I can't afford their products without coupons anymore. Yes, you can print a couple, but they have to be used the same day. Not only that, no ink in the printer. Goodbye, P&G. Now, Jeremy C. says, I'm fine with at-home prints, but change the date to at least a week to use. And not the same day. Give us at least 3 days. Agree with most. Just bought 5 Priscilla this week instead of P&G items. I am not brand loyal. Used to be, but now give me some kind of deal since inflation is out of hand. And then Honest Couponer says, great to see coupons in the news break this story first, and smart move by P&G in continuing to lead the transition to digital coupons. Now, I am definitely curious to see what you guys are thinking about this big change, so please leave me a comment down below. Now, my final thoughts on everything is, overall, as far as this YouTube channel goes and finding you guys deals and lots of good savings, it's really not going to change that much because on my channel, I have never focused on using paper insert coupons because I had a feeling that they would eventually phase out. Now, I definitely didn't expect this change to happen this fast, especially with the P&G insert because that seems to be the most popular insert out there. So for me, it's definitely a sad thing to see the insert coupons going away, and unfortunately, I think this is just going to continue to happen over the next couple of years. For instance, just a couple of weeks ago, I noticed that I stopped receiving the save insert in both of my local newspapers. So this is definitely the beginning of the end of a couponing era. Now, you guys let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section below. And if y'all are looking for some deals to do and ways to save some money this weekend, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos from this week. I covered Walgreens, Dollar General, and Family Dollar. So I will have all those videos linked in the pinned comment down below for you. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned because we have new deals and new coupons starting tomorrow. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And I will see you on the next one.